What's going on, everybody? Bryan here with thescarefactor.com. There's some loud music behind me, copyrighted. I don't think we can talk there. Listen, I'm at Demon Acres tonight in Hannibal, New York. They are doing a hayride, wagon ride with all the pretty lights. We're gonna go do that. We're gonna go see the Krampus, I don't know, haunted house? Maybe spooky. We're gonna go do that and get scared, and then we're gonna go see Santa, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna ask Santa for a pony. You think I'll get it? I'm pretty sure I could pull up a website right on my phone for a horse breeder, and you know, just have him put his credit card information in. It'll be great. We could just do this right now. But right now, let's take a look around. Everything's all lit up. It's all Christmassy, and I love it. Later on, we're gonna do a Skelegore food review. We're gonna make it more awkward than the last two, guys. It's gonna be great. We're gonna try some you know, some holiday favorites, the hot cocoa and maybe some cookies. I don't know what they have. Something smelled good over there, though. We'll see if we can't find some people to talk to and tell us how great this place is. But for now, let's take a look around and let's go see what's happening around here. Alright, so I don't know how well this is going to work. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to hold this thing while we're doing this.
Are you from Scare?
I am, that's me.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yep. So I don't know how we're going to hold this thing, but we'll figure it out. We'll see some pretty lights. Ride with all the pretty lights. And it's beautiful out there, isn't it? All right, next. next thing's next. We need to get this camera off this stabilizer. We need to switch to the selfie stick because we need to load up the camera. We're gonna go through the haunt. We're gonna go see Krampus. I hope he's got some bloodied corpses for me. That's just what I've asked for Christmas. Well, really for Krampusnacht. Then we're gonna go see Santa. And I'm really excited. I'm gonna ask for a pony. You think I'll get it? I don't think I'll get it. I've been pretty bad this year. All right, so I can't really see anything, so hopefully my new friend here can help guide me.
Well, I'm not supposed to be guiding you. I'm supposed to be in my spot, tough guy. But if you want to walk through there, like a normal customer,
down there,
the other side, we'll get you started.
All right, let's do it. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna head into the house here. And here we go. All right, so we've got some line action going on here. My face may be a bit bright throughout this, but we'll make it work. I can't really see much past the light. I'm gonna try looking out this way, but I don't know, guys.
Hello, my tasty morsel, come with me. Santa!
Santa? Santa's here?
I know him!
That's all you do! That's all you do is nag me! Oh, Lord, how are you? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right,
Let's go.
Your name?
I'm Bryan.
Brian,
with the scare factor. Don't mix me up with that other Bryan.
Oh, Brian, you've been very naughty. Come on, Brian. Come on and have a good time with us. If you would please take a seat on my couch.
Oh, we're gonna take a seat. I know about this magical couch.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to send you to the dark. When it becomes light, move your ass off my couch.
You got it.
It's that simple, all right? When you see Krampus, wish him a Merry Christmas. He's miserable, so he needs a little bit of the joy spread to him.
I hope he got my note that I sent him.
I want you to have fun. I want you to enjoy yourself. I want you to have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And plain and simple, just get out of my room.
Bye. What'd I tell you guys? This is a magic couch. Hi, you're a new friend. All right, off we go. Is the new friend gonna come with us? No. Ooh, spooky. There's a new friend behind us. Hi, new friend, you wanna come with me? All right, maybe not. Hi, what are you throwing? Are these any good? Oh, probably not. These are, they're no good. Yeah. All right. You know, so this is pretty lit up. I probably didn't need to bring this.
You don't see for dinner?
I'm looking for Krampus. Have you seen him?
No.
No.
He's after Santa.
No, Santa sent me this way to find Krampus.
He's somewhere in here.
Somewhere in there. All right.
Probably torturing the elves.
All right. Okay, so, oh shit. All right, I hope I can reach. Ugh. So far, so good. Hey, we made it. Cool, so that's the way to do that, is to reach all the way up. Ooh. Hi, are you my new friend?
We wish you a naughty
Christmas.
We
wish you a naughty Christmas. We wish you a naughty Christmas.
Now get out of here!
All right, bye. Ooh, what's in here?
Get out!
Why?
Leave!
Oh, I'm trying. Hey, have you seen Krampus? Santa told me to find him. That way? All right. Bye, friend. I'm going. So rude. Are you Krampus? No, you're Jack Frost. there? Nothing good. Ooh. What you carrying, buddy? Oh, all right, off we go. Bye, friend. Oh, I know where we are. This scene is super cool. During the regular show? Yeah, it was you who ordered this stuff on the show. Hey, they kept you around. Oh, this guy's not spitting water. This way? Do I go this way or do I go this way? Oh, I can't go that way. Ooh. Oh, God.
I've been boy, what's the baby? Did you make it through the tunnel, tough guy?
I did. Well, I'm here, aren't I?
Oh, come on, duck.
All right. Yeah. Oh, poor Santa. Look what they've done to you, man. How did you let this happen? That's the real Santa there. I don't believe that fake Santa. Oh, hi. A baby? No, I don't need any more babies. I could barely feed myself. Yeah. Wee. Wee. Hi, friend. Oh, it's Krampus. Krampus, did you get the letter I sent you? No? I asked for some bloody corpses. Do you think you can deliver? I appreciate it. Thanks, Krampus. Bye. Happy holidays. Where the hell am I going? Not there. This way. All right. Bye, Krampus. I love you. Excellent. Do you want to be on video? Sure. Tell me what your name is and what do you do here?
Brenda, and I take tickets for the Krampus Christmas.
And how long have you worked here?
Just this year.
Just this year.
Yeah.
How do you like it? Have you walked through?
I have not yet.
You have not yet?
Tomorrow.
Okay, so tomorrow, yeah, because it's tonight and tomorrow only.
Yes.
All right, so have you seen the regular show, like in October? What do you think of that?
I love it.
You love it. I reviewed it 3 years ago. 3 years ago. It's been a minute. So I understand some things have changed. Do they still have the dragon on top of the house?
Yes.
Yes.
The jailbreak changed this year.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. I remember seeing that. Yeah. What is your favorite part about the whole holiday festival celebration extravaganza?
I love the Hayride, but I haven't been through there yet, so...
Okay. You don't want to be biased.
I'm excited about it.
It's really good. Krampus is a pretty good guy. He said he could deliver on the bloody bodies I asked for.
Oh, yeah.
So, awesome sauce, right?
I'll take care of it.
I don't think the first Santa's the real Santa, though.
No,
I don't know. Those sharp
over
teeth.
here.
I don't know. They had a fat guy in a red suit near the very end there. They did some horrible things to him. I think that might have been the real Santa.
Maybe.
I don't know. Anyway, thanks for talking to me. My name's Bryan, by the way.
I'm Brenda.
It's nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
Brenda.
meet you, too.
You'll be in the video.
Oh, all right.
All right. So, we've only got one thing left. We're gonna go see Santa. Hello, Santa.
Hello.
I suspect you don't want me sitting on your lap. I weigh a good like 260, 270. I'm not here to break anybody's legs.
Oh, since the guy that was just here was probably a little bit more than that.
Yeah?
What's going on?
All right. I mean, it's up to you. Or we're gonna do like this. All right.
Come on over.
If you say so. All right. Santa, did you get my letter? I sent you a letter. Did you get it?
Yes, I did.
You did. And so you have the pony.
Yes.
Is it here or like we're talking the 25th or what?
Probably going to be around the 25th.
I mean, I could pull up like the horse breeder website like on here and we can just, you run your credit card, we can make this happen right now.
Yeah, but the elves are actually making the pony.
Oh, you're making it.
It's a very long process.
I don't want to ask.
That's sort of where it starts.
All right. Oh, all right. So if we got the photos, we're good. Let me get this one out of the way and we can do one more.
Okay, ready? Awesome.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Santa.
Have fun, sir.
All right. All right. So we're going to get the digital copies. Here's my, we'll see. We'll put it up on the screen now. All right. So it's not Skelegore video without a food review. So we have fried dough with powdered sugar and cinnamon sugar right there. I know it's kind of the spookiest looking fried dough you've ever seen, right? So we're gonna try this. It's hot. That's really good. I highly recommend with the powdered sugar and the cinnamon sugar. I'm gonna give that that's a 9 out of 10 for fried dough. 9 out of 10. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this trip to Demon Acres for their holiday, what do they call this? Deck the halls? Something like that. Haunt the halls? Unfortunately, this video won't get out until after the haunt is done for the season. It's just tonight and tomorrow night. But seems like they're going to do this this holiday celebration every year. Come on out and see this. It's going to be great. And until next time, stay scary.